Hello, welcome back. Now it's time to discuss about the parallel routes. Okay, so actually, what is parallel routes? I am showing you the demo. I have created it in the same page. You are seeing the dashboard overview. You are seeing the sidebar, and almost like above footer, there is another section. So 4 or 5 sections. This is called slot. I am discussing the technical terms a little bit later. So 4 or 5 sections are rendering by on page routes. See, I am showing you once again. So this is my home page. So if I go to the complex route dashboard, so I hit on route, but it's rendering 1, 2, 3, 4 components. So this is actually called parallel routes. So we need to know some technical terms now, right now, and I'm pretty sure that you got the point. So to understand anything, it's a better idea to see the output first. Then it becomes easy to understand the codes. So let's go to the documentation. Also parallel routes. So parallel routes allows you to simultaneously or conditionally render one or more pages within the same layout. You got my point? On or 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pages, more pages within the same layout. Okay, they are useful for highly dynamic sections. If the sections is highly dynamic, often apps such as dashboard and feeds on social media. So it's almost like a dashboard. You see, we need a sidebar, we need a header section, we need in the middle portion, and in the lower section we need to show something, we need more sections. So this is the complex layout. Okay, and if it is dashboard, mainly in the dashboard these things are basically used. For example, consider a dashboard. You can use parallel routes to simultaneously render the team and analysis. And they are showing you a demo. And you see, there is a team over here. There is a analytics over here. This is called a slot. So parallel routes are created using name slots. Slots are defined the folder convention. So this is the convention. You have to give add sign then folder, add then team. This is called the slots, but it will not hamper your slots, and slots are passed as props. I'm showing you later that this is my complex dashboard, and in the layout, slots will be passed as a props. It is passing as a props. We are not importing. Okay, it's passing as a props. Okay. Slots are passed as props to the shared component parent layout. For this example above, the component's app layout is now accept the analytics and team slot props and can render them in parallel alongside children props. So we also used like that way. However, slot are not route segments and do not affect the URL structure. For example, analytics views. The URL views will be views since analytics is a slot. Slots are combined with the regular page component to form the actually it's saying that say how many slots we have, sidebar and everything. Say we have a I'm creating to make you understand a bit clearly, I am creating a page to make you understand. Say sidebar, I am making it similar. So bottom panel page sidebar. Yeah, we have a sidebar. So I am creating a page named sidebar. Okay. And in the sidebar, I am creating a page. Okay. This is sidebar. So I am creating sidebar as we have the sidebar inside parallel routes. So if I go over here and creating a new window, and say I'm in sidebar. This is sidebar, but we have the sidebar also, so it will not hamper our regular routes. Okay, so slots are passed as profs, so the shared parents layout for the example above, the components app layout now accepts the analytics integration and enter them in parallel and say children profs. However, slots are not route segments and do not affect the URL structure. So you have the pages and URL structure, routes, it will not be affected. Even if I write like that way, say we have a sidebar over here, you see sidebar, okay, in the complex dashboard. So if I write like that way, it will not be affected. Say add sidebar, page not found. Okay, so it will not affect your normal structure. So now let's go to the code. So as I have a dashboard, so I am writing its name complex dashboard, otherwise it will conflict. In the complex dashboard, I have mandatory initially two pages. One is layout and another is page. Page is bare minimum. It's not that much code over here. And as page is here in the layout, we are passing the slots as a props. You see, we have 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 slots, and I am passing 4 slots over here: sidebar, content, top panel, bottom panel. And this is for Typescript, and I am in the JSX part. I am rendering these things: top panel, sidebar. Sidebar is using aside, and content, and bottom panel. Okay, so mainly root layout is doing the main role over here. And in the bottom panel we have the mandatory page. It has page, nothing else. So if I go, I hope you got my point. This is very easy, everyday code, not complex anything over here. And in the layout, it's mainly rendering. Okay, and the child component, I'm not rendering child over here. So if you wish, you can render the child, but it does not mess with your design. You should not do that. Or sorry, deep. Still it's getting error, so we need React fragment. Okay, and here children. So if you go over here, you see dashboard overview. It's coming from here. You see dashboard overview. Okay, I hope you got dashboard overview. It's coming 2 times. Quick action. Okay, that's why maybe I have rendered children 2 times over here. Children. So basically, this dashboard overview I wrongfully used 2 times. You see top panel, this is same, and page dot same. So instead of dashboard overview, I am using say dashboard overview. I'm removing it. Dashboard or complex layout. Okay. So this complex layout will be rendered from this layout, as I am using children over here. Say I am using children. Give it a class name. Distribute center. Let's see. Complex layout. Okay. Okay, complex layout. So it's rendering the my children over here. Complex layout. So this page, complex layout, is the main page. So it's rendering my complex layout, and another things are rendering. This is the heart of this complex layout is layout. Okay, this is the main page. So it's rendering children, it's rendering sidebar, it's rendering content, it's rendering top panel, it's rendering bottom panel. And here is the order. WSON render after WSON. Okay, first of all render children, then top panel, then sidebar. And the interesting thing is that we don't need to import it. It's coming as a props in the layout. Okay, so this is all about complex layout, or what's its name, parallel layout. Okay, so basically we will use it. For example, consider dashboard. You can use parallel routes to simultaneously render the team and analytics. So if your layout is complex like dashboard, you can use it. So whether it is needed or not, you must be know it. Otherwise, you will lag behind for your project, or if you work with a client. So you will not give him the better idea. Okay. Thank you very much. I hope you got pretty clear idea. Thank you very much. See you soon. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned. Stay connected. See you soon. A little bit announcement. You can get a tremendous and superb course. This is my course. MERN stack, Typescript, Ecommerce, Docker, RTKquery, and along with deploy. It's a nice and huge course. So its price is $44, but I can give you, for my students, I can give it only $9. Okay, so it will last for 5 days, but you will get $9. If the course is needed, you can contact with me, just $9.99. Okay, so it's a super course, tremendous course. So you will able to learn a lot of things. You will get TypeScript, e-commerce, Docker, RTK query, and deployment. So it is built on React 9.18, Node.js 20, and role-based automatic redirect. So I will give the discount link and coupon code and course link in the description box. You can come and check, and don't hesitate to grab the course. Thank you very much.